Hi, I'm Craig Ishii, Product Marketing with Logitech. And today we're excited to announce a new feature allowing you to use multiple cameras in a Microsoft Teams room on Windows. Now, it's a super versatile feature, so we're going to talk through the feature itself, the setup, and some of the use cases. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's first talk about the feature itself. As the name suggests, multi-camera view enables multiple cameras to be plugged into the room PC to stream simultaneously during the meeting. So let's think about the use case for just a bit here. We want to empower our remote attendees to follow what's happening in the room. So this means that your remote users, they'll be able to switch between the views at any time during the meeting. And then this allows them to see what they want to see when they want to see it. So if you can see from the example here, they can switch between any of the cameras or get an aggregate view of all of the streams together. And the idea here is that maybe you've got a presenter talking at the front of the room, or maybe there's a note taker at the whiteboard. Again, the user has the flexibility to switch between the simultaneous feeds so that they always know what's going on in the room. Now, a couple of callouts here before we dive into the setup. First, this is a feature that's available for Microsoft Teams rooms on Windows, so you'll need a dedicated room PC. And the second callout is that the feature is available for both Teams Rooms Basic and Pro licenses. Okay, so we've seen the feature. Let's take a quick look at the software side of the setup. So setup for a room with multiple cameras is pretty simple. We're going to just go into our Teams admin settings here on the Tap Meeting controller. And in the peripherals section, right here on the right-hand side, we're going to just make sure that this toggle for multiple cameras is enabled. Then below, we're going to just add and designate the different cameras we have around the room. So that's it, multiple cameras enabled. Okay, now finally, let's talk through the physical room setup that we have here. So in the boardroom that we're filming this in, we've got the rally bar at the front of the room. And so the rally bar is going to be our microphone and speaker system, and the camera is going to capture the people who are sitting around the table. But for the presenter at the front, we've also got a rally camera at the back of the room to provide a dedicated feed of the presenter. And then third, we've got another rally camera across from the whiteboard to capture the note taker who's standing at the whiteboard. Okay, now a couple of callouts about this setup. First, because my rally cameras are a good distance from the room PC, I'm actually using our brand new rally camera extension kit to connect these cameras using category cable. So that means both power and data are delivered over a single Cat cable. Now, the kit is super easy to use. I just connect one of the ends here to the rally camera, and you can see how we've designed it to fit neatly right onto the base. And then I'll run category cable in between up to 100 meters and connect to a second hub that connects to power and the room PC. Now, also note that the hub has been designed with some nifty cable management and also some options for mounting. And the final call out is that in addition to my three cameras, I've technically got a fourth dedicated whiteboard camera, Logitech Scribe, that is going to provide an additional content camera stream. Okay, so with this setup, let's just take one final look again here at what the remote participant is seeing. So to start, we get an aggregate view of all of the streams together. Then, as we click the arrows here, we can scroll through the individual camera streams. So I've got the participants at the table. I've got another view of the presenter at the front. And I've also got a view of my note taker at the whiteboard. And finally, I want to show what this looks like with Scribe. So here you can see that the whiteboard is being transmitted as a separate stream. So we get both the whiteboard and the multi-camera stream with the ability to cycle through different views. Okay, that's it. Super cool stuff. You can see how multi-camera view provides a lot of flexibility for those larger rooms or trickier spaces. So try it out for yourself, and we'll see you next time.